In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a t-shirt in Canva in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in to help you unleash your creativity and transform your ideas into wearable art. The journey starts with opening Canva. If you haven't used Canva before, don't worry. It's an incredibly user-friendly graphic design tool that's accessible online. Just head to canva.com and log into your account. If you don't have a Canva account yet, it's pretty easy to set up one. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the Canva dashboard. This is your creative playground where all the magic happens. The next step is to create a new design. On the dashboard, there's an option to create a design. Click on this button, and you'll be able to choose from a variety of preset options. But for now, let's focus on our task at hand, designing a t-shirt. The good news is, Canva has specifically tailored templates for t-shirt designs. To find these, navigate to the Templates section. In the search bar, type t-shirt. This will bring up a range of pre-designed templates you can use. If you're new to designing, using a pre-made design can give you a helpful head start. Browse through the options and choose one that sparks your interest. Once you've got your chosen design, it's time to start customizing. This is where you can let your creativity shine. Change colors, alter fonts, and select different graphics to suit your vision. Canva's customization tools are intuitive, allowing you to click and swap elements with ease. You can adjust sizing and placement until you're happy with how it looks. Now, if you want to take your design to the next level, head over to the Photos or Elements tab. A neat trick here is to search for t-shirt mockup. This will provide you with realistic t-shirt representations that you can use to visualize your design before printing. Drag your custom design onto the mockup. This step not only enhances your design process by giving you a realistic preview, but also helps you see how your design will appear on an actual t-shirt. After you're satisfied with your customized design and have given your smart mockup a good look, it's time to save your masterpiece. Head on over to the Share button at the top right corner of the screen. This will allow you to download your newly designed t-shirt. Select PNG as the file format to ensure high-resolution quality, perfect for maintaining those vibrant colors and crisp details when printed. And there you have it. You've designed a t-shirt in Canva in just 5 minutes. Canva's range of features makes expressing your creativity fun and straightforward. Enjoy adding your personal touch to your wardrobe.